Hey guys, Jungle Explorer here, and today I am going to be doing a walkthrough setup guide, operation, and review of the Reolink solar powered outdoor HD Wi-Fi security camera. I'm really excited about this because I've really wanted some outdoor security cameras on my place for a long time, and one of the main reasons I haven't put them up is because I didn't want to run electrical power to the camera. It's Wi-Fi, but then if you have to run wires to it anyways, what's the point, right? Okay, so when I saw these cameras come up on Amazon.com on Cyber Tuesday with a solar powered, I was like, okay, that right there is the ticket I've been looking for. They had a lot of good reviews, so I went ahead and bought them, and I'm going to set them up on at my place. And you know, if you've watched my channel for a while, you know I travel a lot doing the videos. So I've always wanted to kind of look at my place outside. I have a pretty strong Asus Wi-Fi router that has about 800-foot reach outdoors in my place, so I can put these anywhere in my farm. And I'm also going to be doing some indoor security cameras from the same company, from Reolink here, the E1. This is much more simpler model, and it's easy to use, but I'll be doing a separate video on the setup and operation of these, so subscribe to my channel and click the little bell if you want to be notified when that video comes out as well. But it's part of all of a whole security system that I'm setting up at my place, so that when I travel, and I'm going to be traveling a lot in 2021 for the Jungle Explorer, hopefully moving forward with my state park virtual walkthrough videos that I'm going to be doing. So, all right guys, let's get at this and set it up. Okay guys, now that you've got your camera installed, you're going to need to set it up to be used with your mobile app. So head over to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Reolink app. All right. Now, once you've got that downloaded and installed, we're going to go ahead and turn the camera on. You see, we lift this little tab right here, this switch. We will switch that to the on position. And
camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Okay, now that we've got that, now we're going to go ahead and hit the little plus symbol right here.
Add the camera and set it up.
Okay. Now, turn your camera over. You see this QRC code right there. You're going to scan that. All right, so now we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. This is the Wi-Fi network. I'm going to go ahead and enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, now once you enter your password, you will see how it's showing you to scan right now. Scan now. Hold this in the QRC code in front of the camera here.
And set it up. Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
It says here, I have received the voice prompt. Click OK.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Now we're going to create a login for the camera. Okay, so you want to enter a unique password for this camera, whatever you want, whatever you can remember. You can make it simple or complex, so I'll just enter a password here, and then we're going to enter that password again. All right, now that I've entered the password, we'll go ahead and go forward. Now we'll put a device name. This one I'm going to name Backyard. All right, Backyard. Done. And then next. We'll click Use Now, and let's see here. Backyard. Now we can see the camera is connected. It's pointing over here. We'll click on that. You've got your control right here. Down. Okay, so we've got complete control of it. Like that. Okay, and we can see right here, here's my hand doing the video right here. So, okay guys, well, that's how you install this little camera, and that is how you set it up to use with the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer, signing out.